Virtuagym review. App: the pros, the cons. Fitness enthusiasts and gym owners alike might be curious about Virtuagym, an app that promises to combine workouts, nutrition, and community into one platform. But does it deliver? One major pro is its comprehensive fitness tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app is just for logging workouts. Virtuagym allows you to create personalized training plans, track progress, log exercises with proper form illustrations, and even manage nutrition goals. It's a complete package for building a structured fitness routine. Another advantage is community and motivation. The app lets users connect with trainers, join challenges, and engage with a supportive fitness community. For gyms, it also offers management features like member tracking and class scheduling, which is a bonus for both personal users and professionals. However, there are cons. Some users report that the free version is limited and the interface can be overwhelming at first due to the many features. Integration with other fitness devices is decent, but not as seamless as some competitors. Additionally, customizing plans can take time to learn. In conclusion, Virtuagym is a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage fitness, nutrition, and social engagement in one app. The surprising truth is that while it's highly versatile, it may take time to master all its features, and casual users might find the full suite more than they need. For dedicated fitness enthusiasts or gym owners, Virtuagym offers a rich, all-in-one experience. Have patience with consistent use, and it can become an indispensable part of your fitness journey.